Hey guys, it's Spencer from EliteNerds.com. I just wanted to show you guys how to tether from any Android device. I just got this app working. I was going on a road trip, so I just wanted to get it up, and it actually worked pretty nicely. I got, I think, a megabyte per second, which really, you don't really need that much if you're just surfing the web, so I like it a lot. It's free if you have the unlimited plan. For plan wise, it doesn't cost anything more in your plan. It's a free app as well, so you might as well do it. I'm going to be using my Droid Aris, which means I'm going to have to use the USB to get the app. First, let me just show you guys how to get it. I'm using the PDA net. Let me show you guys just where to look really quick. So just look at PDA. It's PDA net free edition. It's download for free. It's really nice. So once you have it downloaded, let's just get into the app really quick. So once you get it open, you're gonna see like enable USB or enable Bluetooth. I'm gonna use the USB tether for this one. I'll just show you guys the steps that I did to get it working properly. It's a pretty simple setup. Just follow the instructions on here. You don't even need internet on your computer just to get it, which is awesome. I didn't have internet when I wanted to install it, and it just told me how. So once you guys tune the instructions, just read over them really quick. I'm just gonna go straight to the download. So it really depends on what operating system you are on. Just get it, click on the one. I'm gonna show you guys on the Mac, of course. And then once you get to the setup, it's gonna say like, make sure you're on the current version. It does work for Snow Leopard. I'm using it, and the 32-bit does work on 64-bit. Just in case any of you guys are concerned, it's really no difference. The 64-bit computers run any 32-bit program. If you're using Dolphin browser, which is my personal favorite, you don't need to download anything else for it to save on the SD card. It will automatically do that. So once you get it saved onto the SD card, let me just show you guys what that looks like. You're going to have to mount your SD card, which you just go up here and USB connect and mount. On the instructions, it also talks about the Lynda file manager. You don't need to get that if you're using Dolphin browser. If you're not, you might need to get that. But other than that, you don't need to get it. It works fine for me without. So once you've downloaded it on your SD card, it's going to be on your downloads folder on the SD card. So once you've mounted it, you should see your SD card on the computer. Then just go to the folder downloads, and then it should be on somewhere in here. Mine's PDA net, and then just go through the steps. I already have it installed, so I'll just go through the steps. And it's going to ask you to restart. Just restart. You should have a bar up here on your Mac. On the PC, I think it should be down there. But on the Mac, just go up here and it's going to say connect or online help or whatever. If it's not up there, you can just search it. Just look up PDA and it's going to be somewhere there. So it should be installed. And then once you have that working, you're just going to go on your Android device. And it is going to say something about the Ethernet. I just clicked OK and it worked fine. Shouldn't be really anything other than that. Just make sure you've accepted everything, you haven't declined or anything like that. It's going to go to your... It's going to open up your system preferences, and it's going to ask you for your network on the Ethernet. It's going to make sure it's EN2. That's really the only way you're going to get it. It's the USB. So once you have it all working, you just have to click the enable USB tether, and then you say no, I already installed it. It's going to say verifying internet connection. Alright, let's see if the internet connection works. Just enable USB tether, connect to internet, click connect. Alright, so my screen says PDA is connected. Let's see if it works. Alright, it seems to be working. Everything seems to be fine. Guys, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I got some cool updates, video updates, cool tips that I found out. So